Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic father of atomic bomb. Father of atomic bomb. Okay, first listen. Henry Stimson was the U.S. Secretary of War. U.S. Secretary of War. He paid tribute to the years of work done by people in the field of science. In the field of science. Okay, very important field of science, industry, and the military, and specifically to Dr. J. Robert Oppenheimer. Robert Oppenheimer. The develop of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima was due to his genius, inspirations, and leadership. Okay, then he was man began secret building and testing of the first atomic bomb. Then one he was demanding but popular as he encouraged excitement and enthusiasm. Excitement and enthusiasm in theoretical physics. Okay, then the Manhattan Project involved successfully working out the problems involved to constructing a weapon that had never been built before. Okay, then one he provides scripts wrong by recruiting scientists from the comfortable university job. Okay, comfortable university job convoys them to uproot their families and move to the New York and Mexico test set. Okay, student. Then over the course of the 1913 in political and military situation in Europe, then have scientist Hausbrom Congra understood from their atomic fission and splitting of the atom. Then the basic for a for a weapon of unimaginable power. Then the choice of Oppenheimer, who worked into the realm theory of not experimentation are surprised. Then one he would not run Hamburger Excellent University and College. Okay, then Robert Oppenheimer was began building two of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. Hiroshima is the first atomic bomb. Then he took on the Manhattan project. He provided to the scripters. It was the wrong by the recruiting scientists from universities and convincing them to uproot their families and move to the New Mexico desert. The construct the weapon that had never the constructed before. Okay, then by New Age, as Gerard, the New York Times was announcing the bombing of Hiroshima, and it provide a short history of the making of the world most devastating bomb. When the scientists had made the first atomic bomb and knew the destruction it would cause, they knew the world would never be the same. Okay, so he said, now I began death. He destroyed of the worlds, as Oppenheimer was a brilliant man. Oppenheimer was a brilliant man. He made the first atomic bomb. He recruited so many scientists from the Hatchet job and sent them into a test site. Okay, the Oppenheimer recalled the thinking. I remember the line from the Hindu scripture. Now I am became death, the destroyer of the world. Okay, student. Okay, student. Then answer the following question. First, why did student flock to Oppenheimer's classes? Answer: he was demanding but popular as he encouraged excitement and enthusiasm in theoretical physics. Okay. Next question. What was the Manhattan Project? Manhattan Project. Answer: the Manhattan Project involved successfully working out the problems involved in constructing a weapon that had never been built before. Okay. Third question. How did Oppenheimer prove his skeptics wrong? Answer: he proved skeptics wrong by recruiting scientists from their comfortable university jobs, convinced them to uproot their families and move to the New Mexico desert. Okay, student. Okay, student. Next long answer. First, what did the newspaper refer to as the New Age? Answer: by New Age, Ushkurt, the New York Times was announcing the bombing of Hiroshima, and it provided a short history of the making of the world's most devastating bomb. Okay, student. Thank you.